Our solar system. Let's take a magical journey through space. Our solar system is like a big space family. At the center of this family is the sun, a huge ball of hot, glowing gas. It gives us light and heat and keeps everything moving in space. There are 8 planets that go around, orbit, the sun. Let's meet them. The sun. The sun is a giant ball of fire. It is bigger than all the planets put together. It gives us light, heat, and energy. The 8 planets, from closest to farthest from the sun. Mercury, closest to the sun. Very hot during the day, freezing at night, no air or water. Venus, bright and shiny like a star, very hot with thick clouds, sometimes called Earth's twin. Earth. Our home planet has air, water, plants, and animals, the only planet known to have life. Mars, called the Red Planet, has dust storms and big volcanoes. Scientists are exploring it with robots. Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system made of gas, not land, has a big storm called the Great Red Spot. Saturn has beautiful rings made of ice and rocks. Also a gas giant, very cold and windy. Uranus spins on its side like a rolling ball, has rings too, but they are hard to see. Looks blue because of the gas inside. Neptune, farthest from the sun. Very cold and stormy, has strong winds and dark spots. Moons and more. Some planets have moons. For example, Earth has 1 moon, but Jupiter has over 90 moons. There are also asteroids, space rocks, comets, icy visitors, and dwarf planets like Pluto. Fun facts. A year on Earth is 365 days, but a year on Neptune is 165 Earth years. The solar system is always moving. We are flying through space right now.